Hi there, this is a quick demo about how to use OpenTelemetry with Split.io and Lightstep. We've created a simple demo app where you can order donuts. The donut type, chocolate or sprinkles, is determined by a Split.io treatment. Using OpenTelemetry instrumentation that connects to your code, we capture requests for feature flags and put them in telemetry that we then send to Lightstep. Because OpenTelemetry is an open standard supported by multiple vendors, we can also send it to other places like Amazon Web Services. When we see the telemetry in Lightstep, we're able to connect the feature flags to technical performance. Here, let's see how the feature flag impacts the API donut request. When we pull up the distributed trace, we can actually see in this case that a very fast request had the Split.io value treatment for donuts set to off. Using Lightstep, we can jump back into the Explorer and see that much faster requests had a different Split.io treatment value. Here, we're going to pull up the trace and see that the Split.io value was on. With a couple clicks, we're able to connect the performance to the value of the feature flag. To learn more, including how to use this instrumentation in a Node.js application, check out our Lightstep Partner Toolkit on GitHub.